right, we got a 5 times symbol. Okay, we got a winner here. Boom. Yes, boom. We bought the whole machine again. How much did we win? Stay tuned. Hello everyone, and welcome to OG Searcher. And we did it again. Yes, we did. And we're almost kind of making this a regular Saturday feature. It's either going to be buy the machine. We may buy every ticket a retailer has, maybe the odd ones or even ones, something along that nature, or maybe just a full book of a certain tickets and make Saturday special. But in this case, today, I'm doing this actually on Monday before this come out, and I went today to cash my claiming ticket, and as you can see right here it is. We also made the trip to Atlanta to let my wife do her grocery shopping that day. And while she was doing the grocery shopping, I went and tried to find another vending machine in the Duluth, Georgia area, and ended up at a Krogers close to Pleasant Hill Road, where she was doing her shopping, and bought all the tickets and then the machine. I will tell you that there were a couple that were out of the Millionaire Jumbo Bucks and the Mega Jumbo Bucks, and also the Times the Money ticket. Even though it showed that it had tickets, it wouldn't dispense it. What I ended up doing was going to a little service station close to where my wife was shopping, and I did buy Times the Money, and I also bought the Mega Jumbo Bucks. Now, they didn't have the Millionaire Jumbo Bucks, and I had forgotten to buy the $10 Big Georgia raffle, so I ended up getting 2 more $10 tickets to substitute for the 2 that were I forgot and the one I missed. So total here we've got $337 worth of tickets, and if you can see, they were loaded in the machine kind of funky. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start it from the bottom right hand and work our way to the left and work our way up. So they're going to be a little bit out of denomination order. So, we're actually going to scratch the $50 ticket before we do the $3 crosswords in this scenario. But this is how I got them out of the machine. And so we're going to play them that way. We'll end up with the $3 million Jamboree ticket. That'll be our last one, and our crossword puzzle will be $3 crossword puzzle will be the next to last ticket. So let me go ahead and get these things organized a little bit, and I will be right back. Okay, we're back, and we're going to start with Georgia's newest $1 ticket, and it's match the number and win, and it also has a money burst for $5. So let's go kind of quick with these and kind of work our way, since we have so many tickets to do. And nothing on the $1. And yes, I'm going to scan all of these tickets at the end to make sure I didn't miss anything. Okay, show me the 30,000. This one is match your numbers to the winning numbers, and money bag for $100 instantly. And we are going to be looking for a 16 and a 5, or that money bags. Come on, let's get on the board. All right, nothing on that one. Our next one is the $2 Big Georgia raffle. This one does have a second chance entry, so don't forget to do that if you're playing these tickets. This one is match your 3 symbols and win. And if you get 2 symbols and the ticket symbol, then it's twice the prize. So let's see what we got here. We got a chess chance. Not this time. Over here. Nope. I don't see see any tickets. So nothing on that one. Second chance entry. So let's do the $3 Georgia raffle. And we got two of these because they have two different slots for those. It plays the exact same way, except the ticket is 3 times the prize on this one. This one's ticket number 69 out of the first slot. We got a horseshoe chance and a banana chance. No horseshoe, or no, was that a wishbone, not a horseshoe? Banana? Nope. Oh, I probably shouldn't be doing these tonight. But I was excited. I'm cooped up in the car all day waiting on my wife and her friend to shop. And it's time for me to have some fun. All right, so we got 2 chances. We need a bell and a lemon. No. Okay, nothing on that first one. So let's go to the second one. This one is ticket number 82. Got a coin chance. Nope, trophy. How about over on this side? Horseshoe? No. Bar? No. Lemon? No. Star? We got a star chance and we got a crown chance. Okay, we got 2 at the bottom. Come on, give us a ticket. Nope, got a crown. Needed that down here. Come on, let's find it down here. Nope. All right. Let's go to show me the 300,000. I'd like it for it too. It's match your number and win. Money bag is $100 instantly. We got ticket number 34. Overall odds to win are 1 in every 3.6 tickets. Okay. Looking for 15, 22, 19, and 11. Okay. Can we get something on this one? A little bit misaligned here. Nothing on the first one. Goalpost. Last row. 9. Neighbor. Another neighbor. Another neighbor. And a duck. Guess what time it is? It's time for a bingo. And the machine kind of cut these kind of weird, as you can see. But we do have all the numbers there. This one we're going to have some numbers. If we get a win with the multiplier in it, then it's multiplied by that. They count as free spaces, and we're looking for lines, 4 corners, or diagonal X's. Okay, our bonus numbers are 38 and 25. Can we see them all? Nope, we need to pull it out some. Always forget to check. One of these days I may get this down. Okay, 25 and 38. Oh, we got a bingo. All right. Can we get something else? It's early. Okay, so nothing on this one. We've got one bingo here, missing that one, missing that one. So that's $5 minus $5. This one, nothing, no diagonal, missing the 2. This one is missing. So we got $5 winning. So that's my wife. So we're on the board. All right, our next ticket is our Jumbo Hot Super 7s, or our Jumbo Super Hot 7s. I say it right the first time. So this one, all we're looking for is 7s. If we reveal a 7, win the prize, we get 2 7s at $77, and there's also a 7X symbol. So we need a bunch of 7s. Let me zoom it back in a little bit. All right. Let's go back to back on winners. Remember, all the other numbers are meaningless. We're just looking for 7s. On double 7. Last chance. Come on, 7. Can we save it at the end? No 7s there. Okay. Bonus bucks. This one we've got different symbols for different prizes amounts, and we're going to start at the bottom and work our way up. And for the 10,000, we're looking for a pot of gold. And we got a fish. Here we're looking for money bags for 5,000, and we've got a strawberry. How about looks like a wallet for 2,000? Nope, we got a lock. Money burst for 1,000. Nope, apple. How about a piggy bank for 8? We got the hat. Stack of bills for 6. And we got a horse. Bar for 5. And we got keys. Stack of cash for 300. Oh, we got the pair. How about a present for 250? Oh, we got a camper. Horseshoe for Mr. Ed's shoe for 200. And close, look like one, but it's a wishbone. How about a dollar bill for 150? Oh, we got that motorcycle again. Money burst for 100. Got a kiwi. Crown for 80 bucks. Grapes. Okay. How about the house for 70? Nope. Ice cream. Roll of cash for 60. Now we got a safe. How about a dollar symbol for 50? Case. All right, last row. Diamond for 30. You got a bell. 4-leaf clover for 20. We got an orange. Coins for 15. And we got the boot. Star for a ticket. And we got a castle. So nothing there. Now it's time for another Big Georgia raffle. So let's see what we got here, because I think we've had a ticket in the first position before on this ticket. So we got grapes, vault, crown, banana, strawberry, limb. We got diamond chance. We got a vault chance. And we got a strawberry chance. Let's see what we got over here. All right, we got a 5 times symbol. Okay, we got a winner here. Boom. We got a wishbone apple. Trophy, key, lemon. We got a wishbone chance. And a chest. See, I thought we could get it in this first position. I thought I remembered that. All right, so this, just because you have don't mean you can get it here too. Do we have a diamond? Nope, we got a bank. How about a vault? Yes, we got another winner there. All right, so we got a second winner on this ticket. Crown, bell, how about a strawberry? Nope, got a ring. Might as well reveal that one. How about a wishbone? Nope, star. All right, so let's see what we got under the vault first. We've got $5. Is this going to be a dollar bill for 10? Yep, but that's all right. We'll take that $10. So it's 10 more we had a minute ago. So now it's time for the Price is Right. This one's a little bit tricky here. Here we got a bonus round. If we reveal 100 here, we'll win 100 instantly. This one we're going to have 20 numbers here. If we match the number next to it, then we win the prize shown. If we reveal a double $sign symbol, we win all 20 prizes instantly. All right, and there is a second chance promotion for this one. The overall odds to win is 1 in every 3 tickets. So pretty good odds for a $10 ticket. So do we have 100 here? No, we got a safe. Okay, let's go to the top here. Let's go ahead and just scratch all of our numbers. See if we can get a dollar bill. Or not a dollar bill, but the double dollar signs. I'll say it right in a minute. All right, so we need a 37. Do we match? Nope, 19. How about a 23? Nope, 16, 29, 49, 35. Nope, so 50. 6. Nope. Need a 14 here. 31. How about a 21? That's a 10. 25. Nope, 46. 7. 17. T's 5. 26. 48. 44. Oh. 32. Nope. 13. 34. No. 3. How about a 30? Nope. It's 11. 43. Hey, we got a winner on 43. Okay. So we get something else. 47. Nope. 27. 36. That's a 40. 20. 33. 9. 8. How about a 15? Nope, so 22. But we do have a winner under that 43. So let's see how much we got here. We've got $20. All right. I'll take that 20. Now is the $10 Hamilton, newest Georgia $10 ticket. This one is match your number and win. There's a money roll symbol, win the prize instantly. There's a $100 burst to win $100 instantly. You get the dollar bill symbol, you win 10 times the prize. Okay, I like a lot of symbols, so I like this ticket. Let's zoom it in just a little bit. Okay, there we go. So what are we looking for? We should have symbol hunted with this one, but we already scratched, so let's not. We needed pesky 1, 35, 45, 38, 28, and 11. Let's start to here at the bottom this time. Start off with a bunch of one-off neighbors. Last row, we got a winner on 35. All right. Can we get something else? We got another 35. Okay. So we got double 35s for how much? Let's do this one first since we did this one first. We've got $10 and we've got another $10. So another double up, $20. Okay. Our smaller tickets are doing pretty good right now. Now it's time for our big ticket. He's kind of scratching it at the in the middle of the session, but it is what it is. This is how it came out of the machine. So this one, if we reveal the star here, we win $100. Here we're looking for 3 like symbols or a multiplier, and they have a 5x and a 10x to multiply the prize. Down below it is match your number and win, and there is a money bag to win $500 instantly. So let's start with, see if we can get $100 right here. Nope, we got a lock. Okay, so we're looking for 3 like symbols here. We got a clover. No, apple. Orange. Bar. And a pineapple. Melon. Horseshoe. And another horseshoe. Okay, the last chance up here. Diamond. And a melon. Nope. All right, have to do it down at the bottom. And probably have to go out a little bit. Always go backwards. I think that's got them all. This is ticket number 1, by the way. Oh, and I was going to tell you a little story. You know, there was a guy that was, you know, getting tickets out of the machine and scratching them and going back into it, buying more. He was chasing when I got there, and he had gotten some tickets out, and I asked him if it was, you know, was he done and could I go ahead and go? And he said, well, I'm not done, but you can go ahead. And I said, well, I'm going to be here a while because I want to buy one each of each one in the machine. And he said, well, that's okay. Well, when I started doing it, he wasn't a happy camper. You could tell by his body language. He was all bent out of shape about me buying a ticket, maybe being the one that was the winner, you know, that he was chasing. So anyways, you know, I offered him to, you know, join our community, and he just kind of, you know, left and shrugged his shoulders. So I left him to it, but I got out of there as quick as I possibly could and let him back at it. All right, come on, last 3 rows. I'm gonna get it down here. It's not over till it's over. 11, 28, 36, 12, 40, 16, 7. Can we save it on our last spot? 26. No, nothing on it. So we lost on our big boy ticket. All right. Now, this is one of the ones that I substituted for the $20 jumbo bucks that we didn't have in the machine, and the seller that I went to didn't have it either. And after I picked the $110 Hamilton, I asked him to pick one, and I was actually looking at this ticket because I'd never scratched it before, and lo and behold, that was the one he picked it. So this one does have a scratch on the back, you know, that we're looking for the dollar bill, so don't let me forget that. But in the front, it's match your numbers and win. There's also a 50x to win 50 times the prize. And we're doing ticket number 20. Overall odds to win are 1 in every 3.24. So let's see if we can do some jingle jumbo bucks. It was probably one that came out during Christmas. I didn't notice it at the time, but we'll see how we do on it. Oh, it's a nice, easy ticket to scratch, too. Oh, I knew I was going to like this ticket. I like green, too. All right, it's 2, 24, 25, 28, 30, 38. So no 10s. Come on, let's get something quick. Last row. And we save it here on the last spot. Nothing on there. Let's see if we go to the back and see if we can find that dollar bill symbol. Oops, we got a 55, a 42, a 45, 59, and a 48. So no dollar bill. All right, let's do 50 times the money. Be nice to do that, but it's match your number and win. Got 50x symbol for 50 times. Dollar bill symbol wins all 20 prizes. Overall odds to win on this one are 1 in every 3.29 tickets. So let's find that one of them symbols, that symbol or that multiplier here. We're looking for 15, 18, 21, 25, 31, 37. Or one of them glorious symbols. Well, we need a big winner here. Since we don't have that $50 ticket to fall back on this session. I don't know if I'm going to do it this way again. I kind of like the suspense of the big ticket to pull our bacon out of the fire. Bunch of neighbors. All right, last row. 9, 22, pesky 1, 6, and a 20. Nothing on that ticket. Now let's do some $25 Jumbo Bucks Power Shots. Here we're going to scratch the spot, and if we get the lightning bolt on it, then it will multiply the wins on the ticket by 5. So we'll save that part for last. If we get a winner, and we have 2 power shots down here that we're looking for a star or a double star down here to win $50 or $100. And here is match your numbers and win the prize shown. And we're doing ticket number 6. Overall odds to win are basically 1 in every 2.5 tickets. All right, let's try this power shots first. Star. Nope, we got a clover. How about 2 stars? Nope, we got a diamond. All right. Always get it backwards. Okay. No symbols, we're just looking for matches. Y'all probably heard Mrs. OG. She came upstairs. She'd been over at her nail salon putting some supplies up. She had some early morning appointments, so she had to go and do that. And she had just, we got a winner on 16. Okay, got in this early. So she went and did that, and we got him one right next to it, too. Okay, got a double win. Can we get some more? I want some more. I'm greedy. That way. There's another 24. Okay, we got 3 spots. Don't reveal it, James, yet. 17, there's 4. There's 5. Surely it's not a 5, 5, 5, 5. Would they do that to us? Yeah, they would. So let's get another one so we know it's not one of them. I want at least one more spot. There it is. That's 6 spots. So we know it's not a 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. And we get another one. Yep, there's 7. All right. There's 8. There's 9. got 9 spots, and we still got a chance to multiply it up here too. All right, let's see what we got. I hadn't played this ticket before, so I'm not, well, if I have played it, I know I hadn't done this anyway, so I don't know what the combinations are on this one. So let's see what we got here under the first one. We got $5. And there's another 5, so that's 10. That's 15. What else do we have? 17. That's 20. That's 25. All right, and 16. That's 30. That's 35. That's 40. That's 45, so we're missing one someplace, I think. 11, 59, 37, 27, there, 27. So there's 50. Any other ones that I missed? All right, can we double it up here in the power shot for 100? Come on, lightning bolt. Nope, we got an orange, but that's a $50 winner. All right. Now here's our lovely times the money. And we're going to be doing ticket number 5. And we didn't get this one out of the machine. We got it at the service station near the Great Wall. All right, we got 3 mystery spots here that we're looking for. Cash money burst. Then down here is match your number and win. 100x for 100 times the money. And that glorious dollar bill symbol to win all 30 prizes, which we have done. Okay, I'd like to do it again. It was fun to do it that time. So let's see if we get a money burst up here. We got a diamond. We've got a key. And we've got a baseball cap. All right. Hey, I guess right that time. And what numbers are we looking for? We're looking for 30, 9, 50, 51, 44, 59, 39, 29, 26, and a lucky 13. So a lot of 9s. Or that glory. I like to hit 100x. I'd even take 100x with a dollar bill underneath it. I got a bass. We're starting off with a bass backwards. 27. No. My lucky 22. Don't have it. Only single is a 9. We got a 26. Neighbor. 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 No double nickel. All right, can we save it down here? 60, I know we don't have. 43, that's a neighbor one. 54, no. Come on, can we get it here? Last spot save, 46, no sirree, Bob. So let's see if we can do it in the $1 million giveaway. This one is ticket number 4. It's match your number, get a star to win 5 times, money bag to win $600. So we are looking for 21, 45, 47, 5, double nickel, double deuce, 6, 58, 28, and my legs 11. So we got both our 11, 22 up here. Come on, let's get that star, that money bag. But I would take a match on a number. keep going. One more down. 22. No. 45. Okay, we got a winner. Can we get something else? It's early. Yep, we got one right next to it. Okay. Anything else? I told you I like that 11-22 combination. Got a field gold. No. 60. 57. Nope. 40. No. 19. Nope. Duck. No. 17. Nope. About a 56. That's a neighbor. There's my 22. Could this be the time that we've got that big amount under my lucky number? Is it time for 22 to shine? 39. Nope. 13. No. 16. Nope. How about a 53? Nope. 52. No. 6, we got another one there. That's 4 spots. 27. Nope. 15. Nope. 33. No. And there's my 11 too. Okay. So we got 5 spots. We're going to save 22 for last. So let's see what 45 is. $10. 55. $10. And what was it? 6. $10. So this looks like a $50 winner. 11. $10. And 22. $10. All right. I don't think there was anything else, but we'll definitely scan it to make sure. But I like a $50 winner. Now let's go to our Mega Jumbo Bucks. This is another one that we bought at the service station because they were out of this ticket. Up here at the top, and it's a real long ticket, it's Money Burst for 50, 100, 300, and 500. Down below, it's Match Your Number, Jumbo for 10 times. Dollar bill symbol, and would help if I show it. You win all 35 prizes. So Money Burst, let's start with 500. 500? Nope, got an orange. How about 300? Nope. 50? Yes, we got a $50. All right. See if we can get anything down and below. So we've got at least a $50 winner. Okay, so we're looking for 6, 20, 53, 57, 36, 65, 61, 51, 24, 63, or one of them marvelous symbols. Come on, Jumbo. Let's get a real big one. We ought to get a Jumbo one time. We didn't have too many Jumbo tickets this session. That man playing that vending machine, he was upset. I think he was having a bad run. Field goal. I know the feeling. All right, nothing there. Come on, let's get some more. I think we get a magic number that put us at a $100 ticket, I think. I know I've got one match where it was a match here and a match down there, and I think it was 100. Pass backwards, followed by a neighbor, and another neighbor. And another neighbor. We're almost playing Mr. Rogers. Last row, 17, 59, 62, 9. Turn it upside down. Last spot for an extra one, 23. Nope, looks like it's just going to be the $50 winner, but I'll take that 50. Now it's time for the $20 Big Georgia raffle. So let's see what we got here. We got no tickets in the first row. We got an apple chance. We got a banana chance. And see what we'll out over here. This is one you definitely want to scan. We got a vault chance. We got a crown chance. And a wishbone chance. So we got several chances, and we still got chances for that ticket to pop up. How about an apple? Yes, we got a win in the first position. All right. Come on, ticket. Nope, just a banana. How about a vault? Nope. How about a crown? Nope. Wishbone? Nope, got a ring. All right, just the one in the first position. And how much we got? We got a ticket, but that's 20 bucks. Okay, we'll take that ticket. I think we're going to play these last ones in a little bit different order. We're going to start with the last four in opposite that we got them out. We're going to start with the $20 $3 million Jamboree and finish with the Billionaires Club. This one is match your numbers and win. If we get Jamboree, we'll win all 20 prizes. There's also a 10x symbol to multiplier. Down below, we got a bonus game where if we get three like symbols that match down here, you get the corresponding prize based on the symbol. We can probably zoom in a little bit. Okay. And we're looking for 21, 20, 38, 2, 14, 28, 27, and a 4. Come on, Jamboree, or that 10x. Field goal. Last row. 23, 30, 19, 29, and 7. So maybe we can get it down here. We got a bank. Got a vault, which is that. We got a vault chance, okay. And it's money roll. So basically we got a vault. Come on, vault. Vault. Oh, money roll. So nothing on that, and that was the last ticket out of there. That was the black box 000. So nothing on that one. As you can see, I'm having another OG moment here. I didn't really want to do this ticket. And because you know I do not like crosswords, they do not like me. So in the future, I am not going to buy the crossword puzzle whenever I do challenges like this, but I'm just going to go ahead and fast forward this. It wasn't a winner anyways, so on to the next ticket. You better believe I will scan that. So now to the 100X, our penultimate ticket. And with this one, I just realized I don't even know if I had that whole thing in frame. If it didn't, I'm sorry. But anyways, with this 100X $20 ticket, it's match your numbers and win. 100X for 100 times, dollar bill symbol to win all 20 prizes. We've got ticket number 3, and it's about a little over a 1 in 3 shot to win on this ticket. I was so paranoid about scratching that ticket, I wasn't even paying attention to how I had it framed, so I probably missed it. If I did, you didn't miss anything because it was a loser. Okay, on to this ticket. Let's get another winner here. 14. Now, only single is a 5, no 12. There's the 22-11 combo again. So is it followed by a winner? Last row, 35, 38, 6, 34, and can we save it at the last spot? Nope, it's a field goal. All right, it's coming down to our last ticket, our Billionaire Club. Can we get something crazy on this ticket? All right, down below, we're going to be match your numbers and wins, and it's got all sorts of multipliers, 5x, 10x, 15, 20, 50, 100x, and a club symbol to win all 35 prizes, it's a win $100 instantly. We're doing ticket number 3, and the overall odds to win are basically 1 in every 2.5 tickets. And this one is a big ticket, so let's see if we can get it all in the frame. There, that's pretty good. Okay, let's multiply a hunt on this one here. Come on, let's get a multiplier. All those possibilities of multipliers, there ought to be 1 on this ticket. Billionaire Club, show us that X. No multiplier. Okay. Let's see if we can do it up here. 32. Nope. 37. How about a 56? Come on, Billionaire Club. I don't want a billion, I just want a little bit. 42. How about a 31? Got a bass backwards again? No, 31. Mine's 57. Nope. 79. Got the 78 and the 77, 76, 74, but no 9. 26. Nope. 39. Come on, can we pull it out? not over till the last spot scratched, and we're at the last spot. Can we save it on this one? 67. I don't see it, so I don't think we did. Not on that one anyway. So let's review what we did win. Okay, we had a bunch of winning tickets. We had $20 on the Big Georgia raffle. We had a $50 winner on the Mega Jumbo Bucks, so that's 70. We had another $50 winner here, so that's 120. We had another $50 win, so that's 170. This one was a 20, so that's 190. We had another 20, so that's 210. Another 10, so that's 220. And a $5, so $225 back out of 337. All in all. Yes, we're back. And yes, I did miss one. I missed the number 18 here. And that's why I always suggest please scan your tickets, because especially on these big tickets, it's very easy to miss. So let's go ahead and scratch it here. And you see we did have another winner for a ticket, and on a $50 scratching ticket, that is a big one to miss. So we actually had a pretty good session, actually. We did $200, I believe $75, but the totals are on the screen. So not all bad. Until next time, y'all keep searching, stay lucky, and until we see each other again, bye for now.